Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another Elementor library video tutorial. So in today's video we'll be discussing how to import templates, Elementor templates, into your Elementor library. Okay, so to make this short and sweet, let's just get right into it. I've actually already got this one downloaded right here, this block. I'm gonna head back over to my fresh WordPress install. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is head over to Elementor and my templates. Now remember, you can do this with the free version of Elementor and Elementor Pro, it does not matter. Okay, next you'll want to hit import templates, choose file. I'm gonna hop back out here to the root folder of the downloads. And when you download from our website, you should get a folder that looks like this. It's got the name, how to use the JSON file, and your template. So our template's right here. We've got the .json file. Just hit open and import. Once it's imported, it'll show up right here in your My Templates list right there. Okay, so next thing you want to do is actually import this onto a page. So let's head over to Pages here, and I've already got a sample page created. I'm just going to hit Edit with Elementor and hit this folder icon right here, and you'll have three different tabs: Blocks, Pages, and My Templates. Go to My Templates and you should see that template that you just imported right there, pricing 14. Insert, we'll hit No, and boom, there you go, gorgeous. Alright, imports exactly like how you see it on the website, and it's really that straightforward. Do this a couple of times, guys, and you'll be right on your way. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, if this was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Head over to elementorlibrary.com, guys, where we just have a mega library of blocks, beautiful, gorgeous blocks for you to download. And so, we'd love for you guys to hop on and just take advantage of this. We also have a freebie section for free members if you're interested in that as well. But anyways, that's going to be it for me today, guys. My name is Joshua, and it's been a pleasure. As always, happy creating.